what's up everybody? I'm doing a tutorial slash time-lapse video of one of my customs. This will be my first video. It's of Equinsa Ocha / White Devil Ace Ventura from When Nature Calls. I made the first one as a gift for somebody for the holidays, and then I made a few more for people, and I'm going to start recording while I'm working on stuff so I can make these videos. I get asked about it pretty frequently on Instagram and stuff, so this is my first go with this. Please leave feedback down in the comments. Let me know what you guys think, what I did well, what I did not well, and I'll go from there. But bear with me. I'm doing all the editing and recording on my phone, so here we go. Here's a tutorial for White Devil Ace Ventura.
So you have your copy of Ace Ventura on DVD, Chandler Bing from Friends, and Joker from Suicide Squad.
You'll need some Sculpey, Q-tips, toothpicks, paintbrushes, paints, and acetone. Careful with the acetone, it's flammable, dangerous, and can stain surfaces, so use caution. For the heads, you just want to heat up the neck stumps. I use a heat tool. Some people use warm water. The heads pop right off. We don't need Joker's head or Chandler's body, so you can do whatever you want with them. I like to put the acetone in the lid, and then I just kind of use Q-tips to slowly eat the paint off of the face. It helps a lot. Slowly work on the eyes and the eyebrows. Don't use too much at once or you can scar up the plastic. You just want to take your time, and you'll see it as it comes off. It goes from painted to not painted, so great times. Get the super cool tats off of the gangster Joker here with no shirt on. Just get all those super rad tattoos off of him. Eat up the purple hand glove that he has on one hand. You're going to reuse the little wrist sculpting later anyway. And then I just took the Arkham off for fun. So next, take the Sculpey, and you're going to want to make Ace's little necklace that he has going on there. Just basic necklace shape. Sculpt it in, heat it up, and you're going to also end up sculpting in the shoes because he's not barefoot, so you just kind of fill in the toe areas, sculpt it down and smooth it, tap it out. Once you feel comfortable with the shape of the sculpt, you're going to go ahead and use the heating tool again to carefully heat up all the polymers until they are solid shapes. You're going to want to paint some surprised eyebrows on. Try to get the browns similar to the hair color in tone. And then paint some little sad, surprised, spear in the leg eyeballs on his face as well. He also has this sculpted loincloth piece. So just carefully fit that in there, trim it down, pose it however you want to, which isn't super dynamic. Heat it up, make sure everything is nice and solid. You don't want to go too hot because it'll burn and crack. And then start painting on your layers of brown. So much pants painting. So much painting of the pants. The loincloth's like a dark brickish red. I mixed a little bit of brown in there just to make it not as noticeable of a difference in the color. And then the little waist belt area is like a light brown, kind of. I don't know, it's hard to tell, but looks like it's close enough to screen accurate for anyone that cares about making an Ace Ventura 2 custom Funko Pop. You're going to carefully fill the necklace band in. With brown, I use the same color as the pants, which are both pretty close to Ace's eyebrows, for not a lot of discrepancy there. And you don't have to buy a lot of paints if this is your first go. Take some gray and fill in the little wrist scraps from the glove to make Ace's watch and the little center of the necklace. And then the fun part of slowly putting on tiny white dots that are all over his pants. So enjoy this part of the process. Pro tip, using toothpicks speeds the process up a little bit and keeps the dot size a little bit more consistent. Ace's shoes are black, so I guess you should obviously use black and paint those shoes in. Next, I use my Dremel tool to put little holes in his legs where the spears are going to go. And then I sculpt the spears. I cut down toothpicks and take a little bit of Sculpey, make the spear heads, fit them into the holes so they connect better, and then heat them up, paint them, and then glue them in the wounds. Heat up Ace's neck and do a reverse head pop. Boom.
So there was the video, the tutorial on how to make that. It's not a super complex custom. You only need 2 pops to make it, obviously. Just a lot of painting, a little bit of sculpting, a little bit of carving. Nothing super crazy though. If you have any questions about the process, drop them in the comments below. Let me know what you guys want to see next for the next tutorial. I'll have a poll on Instagram between a couple of options, and I will get on that. But thanks for watching, and some sort of sign-off finality here. I don't know. I'll work on it.